Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix you're not receiving incoming call whenever or the ringtone is not working whenever you're receiving an incoming call on your iPhone, and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into it. So first of all, there are some kind of reasons why this is happening. One of the reasons is make sure that you're not in the do not disturb mode. So if we go over here at the top, you can see there is an icon which represents like in half mode, which represents it's a do not disturb mode. So what you need to do is just go over here, just do like this, and you can see if the do not disturb mode is turn it on your device, you have to turn this off. And this is the first and famous step you need to do when you're having an issue with you're not having the ringtone whenever you're receiving an incoming call. And once afterwards, you can just go over here, tap on these settings. We need to make a few changes, so you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to navigate to sound and haptics. And over here, as you can see, the ringtone alerts has been set to completely 0. So that is the reason why you're not receiving. So make sure that you have to change it to either to emit, or you can completely keep this over here like this, right? And that is what you have to do. And even after trying with this, still if you're facing the issue, another one reason is might be you have already made into the silent mode. If I tilt my iPhone over here, as you can see, if this has been set into mute over here like this, you'll be having this issue. So what you need to do is just go over here and you have to do like this, which means you have to unmute it. And once afterwards, you'll not be having this kind of issue, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.